Now, Kenneth Makate, the inventor of Vodacom's Please Call Me service, is facing new challenges. Now, a UK-based company called BlackRock Mining is claiming 40% of Makate's 700 million payout from Vodacom, citing a funding agreement. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, BlackRock Mining alleges Makate breached their agreement by settling with Vodacom without their consent. Now, Makate counters that BRM, which is BlackRock Mining, provided minimal funding, which was 8,000 in 2014, and is now trying to extort him. Now, Makate's legal team argues that the claim is prescribed and that the BRM's director waived rights against Makate. Now, Makate also, in his response, he is accusing BRM for dishonesty and fraud, claims that BRM's funding was inadequate and didn't contribute significantly to his case. He requests that BRM provide security for his legal costs, questioning their ability to pay. So in a summary, Makate invented Please Call Me in 2001. Vodacom settled for 700 million in 2005 after a lengthy court battle. Now, BRM's claim could amount to 280 million, which is the 40% payout, plus interest. So the Johannesburg High Court will decide the fate of Makate's